So what happened?
Cannot commit in a trigger.
Cannot come in trigger.
Error during execution of the trigger. What is the solution for this one?
Paragma autonomous.
Paragma.
Keep it. Why it is throwing error? One time I told, but next time you should be aware of it, right? Any variables or anything you are declaring, you are defining, then you should have to add the declare. Yeah, now do it. Already it's gone. So now it is successfully done. Okay, check now. Select star from P2. Why we have to use pragmatic transaction? Now you know. Okay, what is the definition of pragmatic transaction? Also you know. Okay, triggers and functions we are able to do successfully, but procedure also we yesterday what is the example we gave, that is the correct one only, but whatever the reason, maybe data due to data something it is throwing error, but that is the way we have to call parent transaction like there is a suppose parent and child procedures are there. The child procedure we can call it from the parent procedure, and yeah, at the time pragma transaction is a individual transactions from the main transaction. Okay, so this is the way it will be separated. Same thing we are doing on both the tables. One is insert, one is update. We are giving the commit on this one, right? Same way. What is happening? Update before insert. This update will be commit. After that, sorry, first insert statement will be commit. After that, update will be happening. Okay. The same way. Next one, take it. Next example. No, no, give ER3 also. Yeah. Okay, here one more. There is a chance again. Yeah. Now again give the answer statement. Yeah, select star from P2. Here, yes, job ID SMN is not there because it got deleted. Okay. Same way, this is also okay. Next one. Mutating error performs whenever for each row. Means row level trigger only mutating trigger will happen. Okay. Right. Another trigger created. Name change it. And now, okay, now try to insert now. Already gone. Yeah. Earlier, what you did it? Line number 7. Why it should not give, right? Because for in we give, right? For in. For in we give. In, okay. Where select clause give where. Okay, go there. Where I dot give the ID. Employee ID, whatever. Provide something. No compare. We are not maintaining. Where is the where? Employee ID equal to. No. What you are giving, man? You are retrieving that one from the why. If that is the case, why for loop is required? Hmm? You are giving change it. Employee ID equal to I dot employee ID. Yeah. Okay, select star. Then go. Okay, for this one also no issues. Then create a last one. What is there here? Before update. Now update something. Update. Set what you are setting equal to there. Mutating trigger error, right? Okay, now change it. Wait. Now change the trigger. Okay, give where condition also. Where ID equal to 10. For that one also mutating error. Now you know, right? Mutating error. What is the situation? Get it. Now change the trigger to add the Paragma transaction. Commit also before and go. Before and go. You same update statement. Okay, deadlock is happening. Anyhow, it is avoiding the getting error. And now avoiding deadlock. Deadlock, once it is happening, right? Again it will come. So unless until it is the transaction will kill successively. So okay, try one more time. One trial we will do. Update at the end, give no wait. Update at the end. Add plus is there. No wait. No wait. Give single word. No wait. Together. Yeah. Evaluation method. Demo weight not working. Okay, give for update no wait. But usually we will give it the select statement. Yeah, go there, go to trigger for update. Right, right, there on. Before no wait, right for update. For space update. Yeah, no wait. Yeah, now write it. Usually we will use that is for select statement while retrieving the data. Suppose any update statements or something is any new data is coming without waiting, we are giving. So it is not accepting with compilation errors. Show error. Yeah, since statement not properly ended. But line number 6 it will show. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me that error, deadlock error. Okay, remove that and the deadlock error give me. Okay. So this is the reason again for the compound triggers. Okay. Compound trigger examples I will give. Before that, instead of trigger also there, right? Okay, first we will see the compound trigger. See, generally, what we will use, this is the new trigger of compound trigger. It was introduced by, I think, policy. Yeah. So, are you able to see my screen?
No, sir.
No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, compound trigger. Compound trigger is the trigger. It is a combination of all triggers. Means before, after, statement level, and row level triggers. Okay. Means here compound trigger is a collection of means before insert, update, after, sorry, before statement level, after statement level, uh, even before row level trigger and after row level trigger, it will be we can trigger. And compound trigger can be fired at more than one timing point. Timing point is not only single, like before or after we are using, right? We can use before and after multiple times. Okay, earlier what we are doing, insert, update, delete, we can give multiple, all options, but we don't have an option timing. Either before we have to use or after we have to use. But by using compound trigger, we can use both together. Okay. Then why we use the compound triggers? Compound triggers, actually it is easier to program an approach where you want to the action to implement in the various timing points. That is the main important thing. For the sharing common data. And one more thing is, if you are seeing the compound trigger syntax, okay, compound trigger syntax, you are able to see, right, my screen? What you are able to see?
Yes, sir. Example.
Which example?
Compound trigger.
So first we will see the syntax. Generally, how we are creating the trigger? Same way. Are you able to see now? Notepad++, right?
Yes, sir.
Same syntax we will use, but some differences are there. See, create or replace trigger, trigger name for update of salary on employees. Okay, compound trigger. Here, this keyword it will come. Okay. After that, declarative part is optional. We will declare the all variables here. Okay. Then, like how we are earlier, we are writing. This is a different. Okay. Here, already I told collection of means here multiple triggers together we will keep means based on the timing. Means what is here before statement is begin and end before statement. Okay, same way before each row means row level trigger, one statement level and another row level. Okay, begin whatever the statements you want to write it and end that one before each row. After each row, begin null and after each row. After statement is null and after statement. Here begin means begin and end. In between what is there here, just for example nulls I kept, but whatever the statements you want you can write it. Means whatever the transactions you want to do, whatever it may be, you can write it. But only thing is, see, order is this one. Before statement, first before statement, after that before each row, after that after each row. Okay, next after statement. So compound trigger start with before statement, end with after statement. You understand, right? Means 4 types of triggers, means all types of triggers we will keep in a one place, that is called a compound trigger. You understand, right? So after coming the
Yes, sir.
compound trigger, even Pragma autonomous transaction also we no need to write it. Pragma autonomous transaction not required. Even compound trigger, if you are doing mutating error, also it not coming. Okay. Some other solutions are also there. Means timing itself we are keeping it differently. So this is the advantage of the compound trigger. Okay. Main thing is compound trigger makes it easier to write a program where you want to action you implement for the various timing points to share the common data. Okay. And compound trigger can fire at more than one timing point. Timing point means before and after. More than one timing point means before and after both we can use it. Okay. And that is the another thing we have to remember syntax, Now, main reasons to use compound trigger. One is I already told avoid the mutating error. Okay, wherever you are getting mutating error, you can go directly without using a Pragma autonomous transaction. Directly you can use the compound trigger. And one more thing is okay, simple thing is that accumulate rows destined for a section table. Each table means earlier we got the second table, it is updation, these things are happening, right? Even deadlocks also happening. We can avoid those things. Okay. And one more thing is, if you want to write all timing points, you can write it. That is optional. No need to write here 4 I kept, right? If you have 4, you want to write it, right? That is the order. Before statement, before row for each row. Okay. After each row, after statement. That is the order. If you don't want to write all 4, whatever you want, that is you can use it. Okay. At least one timing point section should be there. But only thing is cannot have a multiple sections for the same timing point. That is you should have to remember. Declaration part also optional. That is for all, not only compound trigger. Even it can be work for use also instead of each row. Instead of each row. Okay, instead of each row, we will use the timing point. Instead of each row. Before, after each row, before each row we are using, right? Instead of before or after, we will use instead of each row. Okay. I will share the compound trigger link. You can refer this link. It is very useful. Okay. Otherwise, I will give the okay. Otherwise, I will share this. Okay. The timing points, right? Before statement, before the triggering the statement executes. After statement level, after the trigger statement executes. Okay. Before each row, the trigger statement